Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and because it's Memorial Day, happy Memorial Day to everybody, I'm going to be reading a book about Memorial Day for kids by Natalie DeMarco. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin reading the book. What is Memorial Day? It's more than just going to a parade or having a barbecue. Memorial Day is a day when we remember those who died serving our country. We remember the brave men and women who gave their lives for their country. Memorial Day honors all those who died in the Civil War, World War I, World War II, the Korean War, Vietnam, Desert Storm, and other wars. We place flowers and flags on graves to remember them. Parades and dedications of memorials are common during Memorial Day. Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, marching bands, soldiers, firefighters, police officers, and others march in parades and attend ceremonies for Memorial Day. Memorial Day started in 1868 to honor the Union soldiers killed in the Civil War. Some southern states observed Confederate Memorial Day to honor the Confederate soldiers killed in the Civil War. On the Thursday before Memorial Day, soldiers place flags at each of the more than 260,000 gravestones at Arlington National Cemetery. The soldiers patrol the cemetery 24 hours a day until Memorial Day to make sure each flag remains standing. This tradition is called Flags In. It has been practiced since 1948. Memorial Day marks the start of summer. Labor Day marks the end of summer. On Memorial Day, the flag should be at half staff until noon, and then raised to the top. During Memorial Day, the song Taps is played on a bugle. Red poppies are the Memorial Day flowers. Memorial Day was called Decoration Day because we decorate a soldier's grave with flowers. Memorial Day has been a federal holiday since 1971. Many people have barbecues over the Memorial Day weekend. It is just one of the ways Americans enjoy their freedoms on this national holiday. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!